So fake freckles have been like a trend lately, and I've tried them with fake tan before, and they work. They're really cute. They look pretty natural. But the whole problem is they only last like 2 days tops. If you don't wash your face, they probably last longer, but excuse you. Anyways, so I just want to try them out today. That's all. Yes, that dog only has one eye. So, I ordered henna online from the Henna Caravan because I watched another video and that's what the girl got it from. So it came with like all these little cards on it, like how it's made. It's just like hand rolled and stuff. And it has the instructions on the back also, so that's nice. And then they also included like this little detail card that has all their information on it. I ordered this probably like 2 or 3 days ago. It came really quick. It's fresh, so they had to ship it quickly. So it came in like a day or two. And this is what it looks like. This little cone, I already snipped the tip up. I already cut the top. And then they had it in this cute little bag, so it didn't spill anywhere. And I kind of destroyed trying to get it out. And then it was like packaged in like 3 different boxes just to make sure everything was safe. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I read that you're supposed to, because I tried it out on my hand here. I didn't scrape it all off. Oops. I tried it out just to make sure I wasn't like allergic to it or anything. That's just literally a blob, so ignore that if you see that. But I heard that if you put on your face, you're supposed to put face oil on first. So I'm gonna do that. Wow, I did not know I had a pimple right there. Love that. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean my face with whatever. So I already have some little natural freckles on my nose and like some, like, I don't know if you can see a few right there. So hopefully it'll just blend in with those. If not, doesn't really matter because we're on lockdown for like 3 weeks, so no one will see it. It'll be fine. I'm just using this face serum oil. It's tea tree and collagen. I usually just put on at night when I go to bed. But I'm just gonna use like a little tiny bit. Because I heard if you use too much, it won't work as well. And I'm just gonna let that soak in for a bit and I'll be right back. I also already have some like around my lips, but I really like those ones, so I think I'm gonna try to put more right there. This one that's on my hand, I only had that on there for like 15 minutes tops, so I don't know how long I'm supposed to keep this on for. Okay, so I looked it up. This one that I got is specifically made for like freckles. They had it on their website because I think people are just ordering the regular one for freckles. It says to keep it on for only 15 to 30 minutes or until it's like dry. I'm just gonna get started. Some of it coming out, I don't know if you can tell, like this bit, like that one. It's like watery. Okay, so I just wrapped that thing up and then you're supposed to put it in the fridge. So I put it back in the fridge. Right now it's like 3 o'clock. So I'm going to wait. I don't know, like 15 minutes. I'll check on them and see if they're dry. I really hope I don't look like I have leprosy at the end of this. All right, I'm back. It's been a little more than 30 minutes, I think. Which was probably too long, but we'll see. I'm just gonna use this to scrape them off because I don't want to, whatever. And then there's some that are like not solid. They were just like the liquid from it. I don't know. So I think I'm just gonna like wipe off after. Maybe I should leave these on longer. Henna's supposed to get darker later, isn't it? Yeah, it darkens over the next 2 days. I'm gonna leave them on a little longer. I'll be back. Okay, it's been like an hour now, so I'll just take these off because I want to take a nap. That's why. Okay. So you can kind of see them right here. They're supposed to darken up over the next couple days. I'll update tomorrow to see if they got any darker. I just woke up. It's the next day now, and this is what they look like. They look pretty good, not gonna lie. Very natural, very light. I'm impressed. Okay, so this is them done with all makeup on and everything. They look really cute and natural. So this is the completed look.